Liz, you are the love of my life and you look beautiful today. I changed my vows this morning because I woke up to the memory of our 7 a.m. Milk Boy dates when I would get a coffee and you would get a mimosa. I truly had never met someone like you. I was drawn to you then and now, and spending my time with you always felt right. I now know that your spark and energy is one of a kind. You light up a room wherever we go, and I'm blessed you came into my life.
Michael, you are my forever, my best friend, my dream come true, my shoulder to lean on, and the best backup dancer a girl could ask for. You make me laugh. You keep me calm. You make me a better person. But above all things, you make me so happy.
Others may say it's luck, but I believe it's not luck, it's you, all of you. As John Lennon says, all you need is love.
So Mike and Liz, I wish you so much love, happiness, and fun times together. And I cannot wait to celebrate more life events with you both. I love you guys.
Mike is more than a brother to me, though. Mike is also my best friend. For anyone that knows Mike, it's easy to see that Mike lives a special kind of love, even down to the details. For me, that means he cuts my food better than anybody else. He's a benefits consultant, but moonlights as a nurse and wheelchair repairman. And there isn't a back alley in this world where Mike wouldn't help me go to the bathroom in an emergency.
knew that your son was the right man for my daughter when she was sick, very sick, in the emergency room, and Mike literally never left her side. And it was at that moment that I said, Liz, this guy is a keeper.
Well, over the years, I've gotten to know and love Liz's genuinely warm and caring nature. And Liz has really been part of our family over the last couple of years. We're just making it official today.